our tornado sirens are about to go off soon. So I'm just filming. It's 9:49. They're gonna go off at 9:50 for the Ohio statewide tornado drill. So yeah.
Yeah, I heard it on the radio on the way back over. Them letting people know what's up. It's gonna be going off early.
Yeah, people would be freaking out if they didn't know. Yeah, we gotta go in the basement, but nope, it's not what you gotta do. I used to run around the siren while holding the iPad, but it gave it a bad view, so I just keep it still somewhere while I'm running around. At least there's never puddles here anymore when we're at the siren. Oh, it's about to go off soon.
Are you already recording?
Yeah.
Good stuff. So you gonna run around like a chicken with your head cut off? Walk, walk, walk. Shit. He's such a nerd. You lost his shoe and kept going. He said this is supposed to go off for 3 minutes straight. It's going off 2 hours and 10 minutes earlier than normal. So people who didn't know this is going to happen are going to be freaking out. Not only is it early, thinking it's a for real siren warning, but also how long it is, making it more intense. Like, oh shit, this really is happening. Yeah, that thing's loud. I'm gonna get my windows up. He's so handsome. Running like he used to when he was 2.
You can hear all the others winding down.
Uh-huh. Hello. You're right, that was 3 minutes straight. Damn.
I wish it would go off longer, but at least I got to go to it. That concludes this test, so see you on the next test.